stupid jellyfish. Beat it. Whoa. I should just walk away right now. What a surprise. I invited them in, and I left them alone.
Hey, is that solid chocolate?
Patrick, no! Here's your order, sir.
Thanks.
Ah!
Well, at least I was able to make his last few hours meaningful. I am such a good person.
You want me to explode?
Yes! That's what I've been waiting for!
Okay, I'll try.
Gary! You are gonna finish your dessert, and you are gonna like it!
Ah! Now it's your turn.
That's not what I meant, you barnacle head!
Ooh, good one. Let's eat. Oops.
There's a bomb strapped to my chest! It's gonna explode in 3 seconds unless you take a bath!
Please.
Register!
Don't say anything, Squidward. Remember your karma.
What?
I can't find the coin slot. Here it is.
This is our burglar alarm? A bucket of water? That was too easy. Hey, this isn't water. This is gas. Am I gonna blow up?
No, worse. It'll go right to your thighs.
My thighs?
And then you blow up.
He's heading straight for the wall!
I'll take care of this.
It's Cannonball Jenkins!
Don't be mad, bodyguard. Let me just grab the key I keep under the mat and we can get inside. There you are, you little rascal.
Have some gum. Ha! Exploding chewing gum, only $9.95.
I don't get it.
I am so excited, I think I'm gonna explode!
That's gonna leave a mark.
Mines, oil slick, smoke screen, shield.
Self-destruct.
What the? It's painful.
He proved to that thing that he was its master. The gadget flew into bits and died with a boom. The blast was so loud, it woke King Neptune.
What's that?
Well, did you earn me money back yet, Patrick?
Hopping?
Only $29.95. You'll never take me alive, Flatfoot.
Uncle Sherm won't let me watch TV back at home.
Why not?
That's why.
Your job is to take people's money and put it in here.
Whoa! Can I touch it?
That fool Crab's letting the blood relative of his best worker